Okay. Now for the next step, what you have to do, you have to take yellow or use these stones, and we have to make these petals. And if you will do like this, oops. Okay, if you will start your painting like this, you having chances to touch your hand on the blue portion, right? You are having full chances. But what you have to do, move your canvas. Okay, now yeah, we will start these petals. And the petals that are backside, this, we will make first, then we will make these front petals, and we will make this petal, this part. Okay, step by step we have to follow. Okay, uh, let's do. Here I have cleaned my brushes. Let me check it again. How to check your brushes? Is that clean fully or not? Just take your brush, dip your brush into turpentine and check. See, I'm having color. And one thing I have to tell you, whenever you do painting, use your soft hands. Means move your brush very softly on your canvas according to the need. In some places we have to put pressure much on the painting, and sometimes we have to put pressure on the uh, painting very soft, full or half pressure according to the need. So same as it is, we have to do painting. The tip for the painting, one more is with me. I am having for you people. Whenever your brush get damaged due to rubbing. Okay, not by painting. Whenever you feel that your brush is not uh, means you are not able to use brushes, means you have used your brushes very roughly, or maybe due to some time quality. Sometimes you are not getting good quality brushes according to the need, right? It depends on conditions. I have seen some things on videos. Okay, as you all are watching the videos and at so many places, what I have realized, what they used to teach, they take brushes and used to rub their brushes on the canvas for painting. That is wrong. That is totally wrong. Don't rub your brush on the canvas. If you want some texture, create that texture, but don't rub it. If you are having any damaged brush, then that's fine, you can do. But these type of petals they used to do with rubbing their brush on the canvas. Means वो अपना brush को रगड़ रगड़ के color करते हैं, whether it is acrylic, whether it is oil. But according to me, that is totally wrong. Whenever your brush get damaged, the first thing is that you are not taking care of your brushes. Means not cleaning them on time, not washing them on time, and not placing on the right place. Means whenever you place your brush, whether you can place it like this, or you can place it in some container like this. But don't place your brush like this. Otherwise, what will happen? Your brush will get turned. Okay, your brush will get turned like this. You can like this. So it's by these thing, by carelessness thing, are going to damage your brush, not painting. So the point is not to rub your brushes on the canvas. Okay, now let's start the painting. Here I will take my this brush 3 number, and you have done blue color. Okay, now we are going to use yellow color. Now we are going to use yellow color. And if I show you, when we mix yellow with blue, it's become, tell me which color is this? Able to see?